Today we're talking about cleaning and sanitation of all of our equipment. This is an essential part of making a good brew. Cleaning is removing all the dirt from your equipment. The sanitising process, once the equipment's clean, it's sanitising and removing the bugs that would contaminate your beer and produce off flavours. First thing to do with cleaning is you need a detergent. So this is a typical detergent here that you'd find in a homebrew shop. It's caustic based cleaner, so what you need to do is mix this up in water as per the instruction on the can and clean all your equipment with that. A good process is using one of these microfiber cloths. They can be used, so non-scratch. We don't use any home detergents for cleaning our homebrew equipment. The reason being it's all perfumed. Those perfumes will contaminate our equipment, particularly the plastic, and then that could lead to contamination to our beer. So we want to avoid that and use a dedicated, a specific detergent for homebrew. Once all our equipment is cleaned, we then need to sanitise it. I prefer to use a non-rinse sanitiser, so all we need to do is dissolve the sanitiser, once again as per the instruction on the bottle, into warm water and make sure it covers all our equipment. And when I talk hot, we're talking around 65, 70 degree water or hotter. Having a bottle of sanitiser is great for when you're in your fermentation practices and any other equipment that may need an extra sanitise. What I can recommend is using some sort of alcohol. You can buy a cheap vodka or something like that and just put that in there undiluted, and you can spray that on any of the surfaces. So it's a natural way of sanitising. Alcohol is part of the beer ingredient. Starting with our fermenter, we'll put approximately 1.5 litres of hot water in there. And we'll put a further 1.5 litres of cold water. The instructions are 3 capfuls per 3 litres. Give that a mix and dissolve it. I'm making sure that sanitiser touches all our surfaces, and then we can run some off through our tap. The fermenter is now sanitised. We can pass some sanitiser through our airlock here, and any other equipment that we have that will come in contact with our work production will need to be sanitised as well.